So I have this TV here. It's a little mini Emerson TV, the TC7. I've had this for well over 10 years. It's always worked fine, and I had it sit in the basement for the past year or so. I brought it upstairs and tried to plug it in, get it working, and I found it's not working so well. So I noticed that if you turn it on, you can get the FM radio. It'll actually tune to a station and everything. So it's working. The AM seems to work okay. But the problem is there's no TV. If you turn the TV on, the TV doesn't do anything. And it used to light up and you'd hear static right away. The interesting thing is there's a little dirt in the volume control. You can hear it's obviously doing something because the speaker amp is on, but there must be something wrong with the TV. It's not actually letting the TV fire up. So, yeah, see if we can fix it. So, I'm looking at this TV and looking at the schematic. I can sort of show you here. On the schematic, there's an 11 volts here, and if you can see that, there's the 11 volts there. It looks like it's coming out of this zener, and then there's a resistor there. I think it's R515. Problem is, it looks like this whole separate section of the power supply here, this kind of standoff board here, only activates if the TV is on. So I just want to check this. You can see I got the FM works okay, but then I switched over to TV and it's dead. But the volume still got a little dirt in it, so the amp is definitely on. So I want to check and see if there's voltage here on this 11 volt rail. And I'm just going to go down here. I can actually hear it on the speaker when I'm touching that. But here, I'm only getting 0.0, it's like 0.05 volts, so it's dead. There's not voltage there. So that's kind of what I'm thinking our issue is here. We gotta figure out why that's not 11 volts like it says on the diagram. So I took this power board out here, and then after testing some stuff around, I kind of noticed this R512 here, which you can see it's just got a little white dot on it, but when I measure that, it's like 1 meg, so it's definitely burned. It's essentially open. And then that, according to the schematic, is a 100, looks like 100 ohm. So if we can replace that, I'm just thinking it may have fatigued, because when I look at all of the other active components on here, I'm not really seeing any shorts. It's a possibility the caps are out of spec by now. This thing is pretty old, so I might try to replace these 4 filter caps, see if we can get newer stuff in there, and put another 100 ohm resistor in R512 and see if that does anything different. So I think we've got this figured out. Seems to be playing really well now. I'll show what I did. Just like we were talking about, that R512 is back here. I can point it out. It's that one right there above the green transistor, if you can see it. Swap that out with a brand new 100 ohm. And we've got this new 2216 volt capacitor. That was the only one that I saw that was iffy in the power supply unit. The other three seem to be fine, so I just left them in there. And voila! Looks like it's working pretty well now. I just got it hooked up to a VCR so we can test it out. Seems like it's got a pretty good picture too. Color is a nice little feature on TV set this tiny. Well, thanks for watching. If you have a TV, one of these Emersons that's out, and this video has helped you at all, please send me a comment. Love to hear that it worked out for you too, or you found some other issue with yours. Thank you to whoever posted the service manual out there. It's just floating around on the internet. You just search for it, you'll find it. Would have been pretty tough to fix this without the service manual, so thanks a lot, and happy repairs.